The oil fill plug and breather is the cap for the opening where the oil is added to the compressor's pump. The plug has a breather built into it to equalize the air pressure inside of the crankcase. The most common issue with the plug is accidental damage, such as breaking it off or stripping out its threads. Replacing the oil fill plug is a simple repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
Before performing any work on your air compressor, make sure that you've drained the air out of the tanks. The oil fill cap and breather is located on the top of the compressor's pump. To remove it, I just simply unthread it. To install the new cap, first I'll verify that the O-ring is in place, and then I just thread it back onto the pump. And that's how simple it is to replace the oil fill plug and breather on your air compressor. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.